First of all, on behalf of all the faculty members of GITS, I would like to extend my sincere congratulations for your graduation, as well as having received master's degrees and doctorate degrees. Your continuous daily effort of 2 years or 3 years finally resulted in this happy ceremony. Since research is a kind of endless process, as you know, of course, there may be still some issues left for further study. However, I really hope you'll find solutions and answers for them in your coming careers in the society. Today, as symbolized by the word big data, the amount of data we are processing and we have to be processing increases day by day. It's very difficult that how much data are being produced and consumed now. However, there are some estimations as well as statistical data. Some of them you may already know, but let me show you some. According to the researcher working for the CERN, European Organization for Nuclear Research, which is very famous for the birthplace of World Wide Web, all the information produced by human beings in the year of 2011 can be around 14 exabytes. According to the news release from IBM, 2.5 exabyte information was produced per day in year 2011. It means almost 900 exabytes information was produced per year, which is almost 60 times bigger than the estimation by the CERN researcher. On the other hand, according to IDC, standing for International Data Corporation, very famous research company, all the accumulated data, including newly produced and ever produced all over the world in 2011, was around 1.8 zettabyte. Because it's accumulated amount of data, therefore we could say that several hundred exabyte data may have been produced in the year of 2011. Also, all the words ever spoken by all the human beings on the earth from the beginning of the human history was estimated, and interestingly, which is, and also surprisingly, just around 5 exabytes. It means we are now producing several tens times or several hundreds times bigger information compared to all the accumulated words ever spoken by all the human beings nowadays just in 1 year. One more example I can show you is YouTube. Of course you know it. From time to time, YouTube officially announces how much video data are actually submitted to the site by YouTube official blog. According to it, in June 2012, this year, 72 hours video data are submitted in just 1 minute. It means you have to spend 80 years in order to watch all the videos submitted just in 1 minute, just in 1 week. Thus, your life is really short, even to watch the video data just for 7 days submitted video in YouTube. This phenomenon is called information explosion or information flooding, as you may know. And it causes lots of impact, abuse, and strain, as you can easily understand. This is one of the biggest issues we have to solve in this 21st century. It's not actually the overblown story, but we human beings may collapse in the very near future by this flood unless we can find out any feasible solution. Today, you have just passed a milestone by having received your master's degrees and doctorate degrees. However, this milestone is just one of them you may encounter in the rest of your lives. And I'd like to remind you that you have to survive by yourself in the world of the diversified global society from now on, facing with the information flooding as I told you. And this is one of the important issues of human beings we have to tackle by now. Before concluding today's my talk, I would like to give you a quote, which is said by very famous Walt Disney. He said, "If you can dream it, you can do it." Once again, congratulations for your graduation and good luck in your coming careers. Thank you very much.